Hello, Graham Walker here, Walker Scientific. I'd like to introduce you to the DLAB DL D50 Pro diluter from China, which we have started marketing in Australia. I've just turned the machine on and it reverts to the last method used. The instrument has a number of modes, starting with dilution mode 1, and we can select those with this knob here. Single dispense, dual dispense, continuous dispense, and dilution mode 2, which we use for small volumes, very small volumes. For this demonstration we're going to use dilution mode 1, where we're going to set the machine up to deliver 9 mils of diluent to 1 mil of sample. The left hand syringe is 25 mil, the right hand is 2.5, but there are multiple syringes available. I think we get much better precision with the smaller syringes, I must admit, but we're still experimenting with that. The way to change things is the same as the mode. We select it by pushing this button. We can select the syringe size, in this case 25 mil on the left, which is correct. We push the arrow to get across to the right hand channel, and we want that to be a 2.5 mil syringe, which we've got there. Click the button. I want the volumes to be set at 1 mil. Okay, other way. There we go. 1 mil. Arrow key. 9 mils is correct. Enter. I'm just going to change the speeds up here. I found about S7 for the large syringe works well, maybe S8, we'll leave it at that, and S9 for the smaller syringe is fine. And this allows you to pull up different viscosities. Slowing down the syringes makes it slower, of course, but it increases your ability to reject air bubbles. Now I'm going to do this method we've modified this slightly to make the sample pull up into the handheld tube set here, and to do that I'm going to stop the rotation of this valve here with the switch here. We turn it off. If we leave that switch on, the sample's drawn from the right hand line reservoir, so you just get the same product every time. In this mode we get 1 mil of sample drawn up, as I said, into the handset, and then dispense with the 9 mil of diluent. So to do that, I'll demonstrate here with some red dye. Basically we start it by one click of the handset. It draws sample into the line, as you can see, and diluent into the syringe, and we then dispense it as such. If I was doing a serial dilution, I'd put the handset into the sample and dispense it. But I'm going to just reuse this dye just for demonstration purposes. So again, the sample is drawn up into the handset and then dispensed into the next tube. So if you had a row of test tubes in a rack, you'd be going from sample to sample and diluting them, as you know. And so on. Very simple. So that's dilution mode 1. Very simple to use. If you turn the machine off, it'll come back on with that mode preset from the last use. There is no storage on the DLAB for multiple programs, so you have to change it each time, but this is ideally suited for the applications that are done daily on the day-to-day routine. Thank you.